Hi everyone, it's Lorie and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today I am going to do my flip through of my design team project for Jovi over at Creating with Jovi. And the name of this kit is Flowers in France, and it is a Paris junk journal kit. So we will go ahead and get right into it. As you guys know, the last two videos we worked a little bit on this, and this I got her finished up, so this is the final result. So I just tied her with a loose closure, and this is just a piece of sari silk for the closure. On the front here, I had this Paris fabric in my stash, so decided to use it, and also had this beautiful padded heart here. We put it on as a pocket, and this is one of the tags from the kit, and I just put stapled a little piece of sari silk at the top and put it down in there. We open it up, and on the front cover we just have a huge oversized journaling card. So lots of journaling could be done on there. One of the elements from the ephemera kit, and then these two here were actually scrapbooking paper along with this. Put a little key on there, a pink eyelet, and this little strip came from the kit. Got a lace pocket here. So there's lots of writing space in this journal. I didn't want to, have, it too heavily embellished. I like it with this more simple look. This was a pocket dolly, little cluster here. I just added this little pink safety pin here. Have a journaling tag there, and that is one of the fussy cuts from the kit. And that just goes in there. I absolutely love the way this looks sketched. Have a little glassine bag here and just put a tag from the kit and a journaling card in there. Then over here we made this pocket together out of some scrapbook paper, a couple of journaling cards, and put a few fussy cuts from the kit on those. Here in the side pocket, I made a huge journaling card with, again, some fussy cuts from the kit to go in there. Some pink dyed paper. So there is avocado, coffee dyed, and just like some Rit dyed in here. This little fussy cut on this piece of paper here, I actually cut it out and made it into a pocket. And put another little piece of ephemera there. Just made a little tuck. Isn't that so sweet? This is the prettiest kit. Avocado lined paper. Coffee dyed paper. Over here, made a pocket. And just took a couple of the elements from the kit. And put some sari silk at the top. Here we have an avocado dyed dolly. Another page from the kit there. That one's so pretty. Avocado dyed lace paper. Over here we made this belly band together, I believe. And I just put a giant card in there. Journaling card. And left it the way that it was. Some more coffee dyed. This is just a side tuck here. So anything could be tucked up in there. So pretty. We have another pocket here with one of the tags from the kit with some sari silk. A larger avocado dyed dolly. Some more lace avocado dyed paper. And this is the middle of the signature. Again, there's lots of writing space in this journal. Made another little pocket here, a little element from the kit. Both of these were from the kit, and that one I just stapled some sari silk at the top. Another little side tuck here, so something can just be tucked in there. And I decided to do something different, guys. These, I just stapled those onto the side. I love that sketch there. Another belly band here with a giant card there. Journaling card that could be written on. Then we have another pocket here, one of the fussy cuts from the kit, 2 of the small tags, of course, with that same sari silk at the top. Avocado lined paper. And then another one of those double pockets here. And a couple of journaling cards inside those pockets. And then a ginormous card back here, again, with a couple of fussy cuts from the kit. Just took one of the fussy cuts and put it on this side of that glassine bag. Another dolly pocket here. This is the little cluster that I did. Again, I put another pink safety pin there and a pink rosette there. And this is avocado dyed, and made a journaling card from there. So this one doesn't have a lot of frou-frou in it, guys, but I really wanted to make sure to showcase her beautiful digitals and how pretty they are. And then in this lace pocket in the back, another oversized journaling card, one of the fussy cuts, and then made another dangle there. And then that is the back. So this, guys, is my flip through of my first ever design team project for Jovi over at Creating with Jovi. I will make sure that all of her links are in the description box below, as well as all of my fellow designers. So you guys make sure to go over there and check out their channels. I haven't had the opportunity to check them all out yet, but I certainly plan to do that. Of course, I'm fixing to here in a few days. Well, when you guys see this, it'll be over with. But for me, I am actually filming on Sunday, June the 5th, because I have my surgery. So I wanted to get some things done ahead of time. But yeah, all of their links will be in the description box below. Please go over and check them out and visit Jovi's Etsy shop and see all the wonderful, cute little digitals she's put in there. And I mean, daily, weekly, she is constantly working on more digitals. So yeah, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Go over there and check out all those wonderful ladies. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.